Ever heard the phrase, if you don't know where you're going, you might not like where you end up? That's super true when it comes to managing your money. You know how people say they're just waiting for their ship to come in? Well, think of your financial goals as those ships. If you're not checking in on them regularly, how do you know they're even heading in the right direction? It's a bit of a shocker, but almost 91% of individuals ditch their New Year's resolutions each year and don't even bother setting any goals, kind of just leaving it all up to chance. But winging it isn't going to cut it if you want to get ahead financially. It's when you start getting crystal clear about what you want your money to do for you that things begin to shift. Bit by bit, as you nail down those goals and start knocking them out, you'll see your financial situation start to do a 180. So, to give you a leg up on making this year your most financially savvy one yet, we've put together a list of 10 financial goals worth aiming for. So, watch the video until the end. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Getting back to the video, let's start from number 1, creating a budget. It's a common misconception that managing finances can be done effectively without a budget. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Budgeting stands as the cornerstone of achieving any financial goal. Without it, steering towards financial success is like navigating without a map. Many find the concept of budgeting daunting at first, encountering several false starts before finding a method that resonates with them. This is a natural part of the process. The key is persistence and finding a budgeting system that works on an individual level. And if you don't know where to begin, you can take help from the internet. There's no shortage of help available. You can find a lot of resources that can provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to get their finances under control. With the budget set as the foundation, it's time to explore the next financial goal that can pave the way to a secure financial future. Once you've got your budgeting plan in place, the next financial goal to focus on is building an emergency fund. This step is crucial because it's what keeps you afloat when life throws you a curveball. Whether it's a sudden car repair, an unexpected medical bill, or losing your job, an emergency fund ensures these surprises don't knock your financial plans off track. Think of an emergency fund as your financial safety net. How much should you save? The general advice is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This gives you a buffer to handle life's uncertainties without derailing your other financial goals. With your emergency fund underway, another powerful step is to read into a personal finance book. There's a wealth of knowledge out there, captured in the pages of books written by financial experts. These books offer not just the principles of good financial management, but also actionable tips and inspiring success stories. Reading about personal finance can equip you with the knowledge and motivation needed to transform your financial life. While reading alone won't change your situation overnight, it provides the guidance necessary to make informed decisions and take meaningful steps towards financial wellness. Another critical financial goal is to work on increasing your credit score. Your credit score is a snapshot of your financial reliability. Banks, lenders, and even some employers look at this number to gauge how well you manage debt. A higher credit score opens the door to better interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money in the long run. Improving your credit score starts with paying bills on time. Every time. Each late payment is a hit to your score. Besides timely payments, work on reducing your overall debt. Ask for higher credit limits without using them. Diversify your credit accounts and nurture your credit history's age. Depending on your starting point, it can take a few months to several years to significantly improve your score, so it's best to take care of it this year. Heading into our next financial goal, let's talk about preparation for retirement. Now, I get it. Retirement might feel like it's a million years away, especially if you're just starting out or in the thick of your career. But starting to stash away some cash for retirement now can make a world of difference later on. You've probably heard of a 401k or an IRA, right? Well, 2024 is the perfect time to either start one or bump up what you're putting into it. Not sure where to start? There are some pretty neat tools out there, like the Personal Capital Retirement Planner by Empower, that can show you exactly how much you need to save to chill comfortably in your golden years. Next goal you should focus on is to set some short-term savings goals. While we're on the topic of saving, it's not all about the long haul to retirement. Let's talk about the fun stuff you want to do soon, like maybe buying a new car, taking a killer vacation, or even saving up for a down payment on a house. Setting some goals for the short term keeps things exciting and shows you the fruits of your labor sooner rather than later. It's all about finding that sweet spot between enjoying the now and not stressing about the future. So, you've got these goals, and you're wondering how to make it all happen, right? Enter the side hustle. This can be anything that fits into your life and brings in extra cash, from freelancing to selling crafts online or even pet sitting. The beauty of a side hustle is that it's not just about making ends meet, it's about funding those dreams a bit quicker. And the cool part, there are so many ways to make extra money in 2024, you're bound to find something that clicks with you. After exploring side hustles as a way to beef up your bank account, don't overlook the potential gold mine you're already sitting on your current job. Negotiating a pay increase. Negotiating a pay increase isn't just about the immediate boost to your income. It's a strategic move that can positively impact your financial trajectory for years to come. With a higher salary, not only do you get more cash in the short term, but you also set yourself up for better retirement savings. Before you sit down with your boss, do your homework. Understand the going rate for your role in the industry and compile a solid list of your achievements and contributions. Armed with this info, you're ready to make a compelling case for why you deserve that raise. Moving forward, next goal you should set this year is to make an investing plan. Investing, it might seem like a complex world reserved for the finance gurus, but that's far from the truth. Setting up an investment plan is something anyone can do, and you don't need an entire day to get started. Investing isn't just a good idea, it's essential for building wealth over time. Consider this: stashing $200 a month in a checking account will net you $24,000 after a decade. However, investing that same amount could grow to nearly $35,000 thanks to the magic of compound interest. Whether it's through a retirement account or a taxable brokerage account for other goals, making your money work for you is a smart move. Lastly, the next goal you should set this year is about your insurance coverage. Insurance is often the unsung hero of financial planning, quietly protecting you from significant financial setbacks. While it might not be the most thrilling subject, ensuring you have adequate coverage across the board is crucial. The right insurance, whether it's health, life, auto, home or renters, or disability insurance, acts as a safety net for your finances. Your insurance needs depend on your personal situation, but the key is making sure you're covered for the unexpected. Take the time this year to review your policies, ensuring they match your current life stage and financial goals. It's about peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. As you set these financial goals for 2024, remember that each step you take, from negotiating a better salary to making savvy investment choices and ensuring you're well protected by insurance, is a building block towards a more secure and prosperous future. And that wraps up our discussion for today. We hope you found the insights shared in this video both helpful and inspiring. If you've got thoughts, experiences, or tips of your own to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. We're committed to bringing you the most valuable content, covering the latest trends, the greatest tips, and the richest advice to help you navigate your financial journey. So, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos packed with actionable financial wisdom. Thanks for watching.